All right, Kyle, so the first thing was at setup, this left wrist looks a little bit this way, which is already cupped, okay? Where you saw McElroy, the left arm and the shaft and the wrist were in a stronger position this way. So that left wrist isn't cupped, it's in alignment there. So then, as I take it back from here, you have a tendency to have the wrist here and then kind of pick it up and then hinge it, which it's already cupped here, which makes it more cupped up there. Now it's starting to plane out, but I want it more in alignment at setup here, and then really smooth here so that it's flat here. I'll show you down the line. Hands are slightly more forward, take it back, boom. This left wrist is flat, this is toed down 10 degrees right here. Now, from here, the wrists are gonna work like this to flatten out, okay? So that's why we do that drill where we go like this. So from here to, okay, it's here, it's flat, strong, it's in alignment. Then from here, I'm loading, 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 flattening, flattening, planing, 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 planing that way. So this isn't slightly cupped at setup, kind of picked up that way. It's flat, hands slightly forward, back, 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 back. Okay, P2, flat, strong, where it should be. Then these three fingers are gonna be squeezing to put this wrist in alignment like I'm punching, so the pressure's there. Then this right hand is going like that to get underneath the shaft to get the leverage right. Okay, so flat, flat, planing, 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 planing. So that's going to be a wrist component that you have to feel, like how do I get this thing flat and over here so that it planes out. So that's everything we're doing when we load the wrists like this in the program, is training the wrists to do that, not that. So then, with it more loaded here, it's gonna come down differently. It's gonna come down this way, that way, to get you into the ground. This left wrist is in a stronger position up here, so when it comes down, all it has to do is this, into impact. So it'll be in alignment at impact, it'll be down and through, and then everything will thrust up this way. So play around with training these wrists, this left wrist to flatten out, this right wrist to load. Continue to go cleaning this up. Then plane, 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 plane. But it has to be clean at setup, and it has to be clean here to load properly there. Then coming down is going to be totally different. So let's work on that this week.